Well, hello, number ninjas. Great job on your work with the distributive property as we multiply two-digit by two-digit numbers. Now, in this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to solve these same problems using an area model. Now, there are many strategies that we can use when multiplying, but I must say many of my students have tremendous success using area models. When I show you how simple this is, you may adopt this as your strategy too. Now let's look back at the same multiplication problem we solved in our last video lesson, 34 times 26. So just as in our distributive strategy, we're going to expand our numbers. We know that 34 actually means 30 and 4. Likewise, 26 means 20 and 6. Now, as you can see, I've drawn a table that consists of 2 columns and 2 rows. This is because we are multiplying a 2-digit by another 2-digit number. Please note, it makes no difference if I had written the 30 and the 4 on the side of the table and the 20 and the 6 on the top. We're going to get the same products when we multiply. It's already time to begin multiplying, so I'm going to write my skip counts on the side as a quick reference. You could write your 3s and your 4s, or you might decide to write your 2s and your 6s. It's up to you. I'm going to use my 3s and my 4s as a reference when I solve this problem. Okay, we're ready to multiply. To find the product for my first box, that would be the upper left box in my table, I'm going to determine my column. I'm in the 30 column, and then I determine my row. So I'm in the 20 row, and my problem is 30 times 20. 3 times 2 is 6. I've got 2 zeros in my problem that I put on the end of my answer. 30 times 20 is 600, and I record my answer in the box. So next, I move to the top right box of my table. My 20 row stayed the same, but now I'm in the 4 column. So I multiply 20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 0 in the problem. Add the 0 to your answer. Of course, 20 times 4 is 80. Let's move on to our lower left box of our table. We're back to our 30s column, but now we're in the 6th row. Just multiply 30 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, plus that additional 0, and we get 180. And finally, our last box is in the lower right corner. Our 6th row remains the same, but now we're in the 4s column. So we just multiply 4 times 6, and we get 24. So what's next? If you said, well, just add them up, you are correct. Very carefully write your 4 products, making sure to line them up according to their place value. Add carefully, you'll see that your answer is 884. All right, ninjas, it is your turn. Using the handout I gave you in class, I'd like you to solve the multiplication problem 74 times 32 using the area model strategy. Keep track of any questions you might have, and we'll review them tomorrow in class. I really think you're going to like this strategy. Remember to write your skip counts, take your time, and have fun with it. We'll see you tomorrow.